Hello all, I have just received this package from the United Kingdom and it contains a do-it-yourself kit for a DRAM tester. It contains all the parts, uses an Arduino, the PCB is made by Stephen Vickers, and all the components. So in this video I'm going to assemble it and test it. The links to get one are on the description. This tester allows you to test DRAMs from the 4116 and 4164 type of chips. Let's start. now it is finally assembled. And let's try some dubious source DRAM chips. They came from AliExpress with cello tape. Not very confident about them. Just plug the power. It's booting up. And now see if I can get these chips out of this cello somehow. Yes, not easy. I don't really see how to get out this stupid cello. Okay, no. These chips are 4164, and I'm going to try them here on the 4164 slot. So now let's let it fall in, close the socket, and let's try. It's testing now. So the red LED, the X LED, should power off if everything is okay, and if it stays power on after the blue LED ends blinking, it means the chip is bad. If the chip is bad, it fails fast, and if the chip is good, well, it takes a little more. So now we can see that the chip is good. I don't know if it should stop blinking or not. I think it should, but if it doesn't, the bad LED is off, so I'm to suppose it's just repeating the tests and so on. I will put the links in the description so you can buy one of these. It's unfortunate that it's not open source, but well, this Stephen Vickers has taken the effort of developing and testing this, so I don't think it's very expensive for the work he has done. Sadly, it only supports these two chips, while there are many others, but these are the more common on the 80s computer. Anyway, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Oh, it finished. Excellent. So this chip is working. See you in the next video. Bye.